2000. Wow. True. I'll go with the middle number. I'm gonna give an estimate. I'll say around anywhere from 2,000 to $4,000. The Granger, I love him so much, but his real name is Apollo. Just gotta throw that out there because I love him.
You know, I'd probably go like skydiving. I'm not really that afraid of heights, so I would probably go skydiving just for the heck of it. So.
Movie hot take? Ooh, I actually loved the Star Wars prequels, and I love them for the stories and not the acting.
Profound, relatable, and grounded.